Hey everyone. Wait, where you at? Where you at? Oh, there you are. Back out the creek again. Gonna head downstream, get some fishing in, see what we can come up with today. Let's go. I just want to jump in and bring you up to speed with what I got going on here. 2 days ago, water was a little cloudy from some rain we got, so had to use a chatterbait to get a bite. The fish were more willing to chase than usual when they sensed the vibration from the chatterbait, since their visibility wasn't that sharp. Today, the water's clear. They don't want anything to do with something that's making noise or moving faster than a snail. So I chose to throw a 1/4 ounce Strike King Bitsy Bug jig, green pumpkin with some blue, and a Z-Man baby goat trailer in black and blue. I'm just dragging this thing slowly across the bottom, trying to cover as much water as I can in the short amount of time that I have. Fishing in the winter can be tough, so I'm thankful for what I can get. I hope this information helps you. Land a nice one. Enjoy the rest of the video. Oh, we got one. Oh, we got one. We got one. Oh, yeah. Man, I barely felt him hit. Oh, yeah. Now that's what I'm talking about. All right. All right. All right, so let me just back out of this spot here, because there might be more up in there. So I don't want to drift in there. I barely felt him hit that jig. We got him in the mouth. We had him real good though too. We had him real good. Look at that. Look at that. Whew. Nice fish. All right. All right, buddy. Whew. Great, 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 great. He's a good fat fish. He has a belly on him. Whew. Awesome. All right, back you go.